Hey beautiful creators, welcome back to Sam's channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me. Today we are creating a DIY Easter with eggs sign for the upcoming event or celebration, if you will, called Easter. For those of you that do celebrate it, you can follow this along, or if you don't but you just want to create a fun, colorful sign, you're welcome to do that as well. Very similar process, just using either the same or slightly different materials to make it colorful, writing whatever you wish in the middle. And we're going to be using some dollar store eggs that I found to create the bright and colorful visual for the sign that we're making today with recycled materials. So it's even better with affordable and recycled products. So, as usual, we're going to go over the materials that I use for this specific sign, and then we'll get into the actual process. So let's get into it. The materials that you need for this project are your recycled cardboard piece, a piece of paper. I'm using watercolor paper, your glue gun, painter's tape, your twine or string, your paint set, brushes, your dollar store eggs, and any additional items will be put down in the description below with their prices. And that's everything, so let's get started. I want to thank you guys for watching my video and joining me on the process of making this Easter sign or whatever sign you may be making at home similar to this. It's a nice fair size for either a door decoration or even just hanging on the wall. It's a good size to take up space or invite some new colors into your space, whatever you need it for. If you did like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you wish to see more DIYs like this or any other creative inventions for spaces, and as well to make sure to see the videos that come out on Friday for more of the programs and video game side of decorating. Make sure to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this, or if you create something similar. I always want to hear what you guys have to say. So without any further ado, I hope you have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good.